Hello and welcome to Bookmark Creations. My name is Ashley and today I will be showing you how to make a leather bookmark using your Cricut machine. First we'll start by finding the leather bookmark project and then we will go to the second project, which is the tassel. So let's get started. So once we get in space, select projects on the left hand side and search for leather bookmark. Design Space will show you a variety of options, but we'll be using this one. So once the bookmark populates, delete the text that's on it. We will create our own text shortly. Feel free to change the color of the mark and then duplicate it and select your font of choice. Okay, click Save. Don't forget to align your text on the bookmark. Alright, we're going to click Make It to go to the Prepare page. Since we're not using TV, we do not need to mirror none of the projects. Select Continue to cut the leather bookmark in Oracle Vinyl. So now for the second part, we're going to go back to Cricut Projects area and search for tassels. So you won't need the two strips at the bottom unless you just want to use it on your tassel. I'm going to change the width of the tassel and I'm going to change it to about 6 inches. And you'll click Make It. And for this part you will also cut the tassel with the false leather paper thin setting under Customs. And that's it for this part. Let's get ready to assemble. So for supplies you will need the bookmarks, vinyl, weeding tool, transfer tape, scissors, squeegee, and glue. Leather glue, Gorilla Glue works really well with this project, but hot glue will do just as well. So let's weed the Best Nana Ever vinyl. So after you have weeded both, take your transfer tape and put it over the first text. And this is the point where you will use your squeegee to go across it until all the text is on the tape. I'm using my scissors since I have left my squeegee in the other room, and I apologize if you hear my oldest two daughters playing their trombone. We're doing virtual learning and they're both in band right now. So the vinyl will now be stuck to the transfer tape. So you need to position the vinyl where you want it to be and press it on there with your squeegee. And just pull that off. So using the same transfer tape, repeat the process with the second best Nanatex. And try your best to align it about the same as you did for the first mark. So once both bookmarks are completed, we will glue them together. So flip over your bookmark and add as much as glue as possible on one of the bookmarks and align the circles so later when we're adding in the strip, it will be able to fit through easily. And let it sit for a few minutes. Now we're going to take the short strip and add it through the circle. And add a dab of glue at one of the ends and press it together. Now we're going to take the long cut tassel and add glue to the end. Press the short leather strip onto the top of it. So while taking your time, roll it and continue to add glue across the top as you roll it very tightly. And we're going to continue to do this process until we hit the very end. And that's it for how to make a tassel leather bookmark. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to be part of my growing crafting family. Have a blessed day.